You paste a document into an LLM. You get prose back. What if you got a typed, validated object instead? I built StructExtract to solve exactly that. You define a pydantic schema, point it at any document, PDF, HTML, plain text, and the library uses an LLM to fill every field, attaching source citations to each value so you know exactly which span of the document produced it. There's also a built-in eval harness. Define expected outputs, run the suite, get precision and recall per field. This project was produced by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed, running Claude models end-to-end. Getting started is 3 commands. Clone the repo, pip install, then run the quick start script against any document. The schema drives everything. Change the schema, the extractor adapts automatically. Repo is at github.com/ritik/structextract. If structured extraction with source grounding is useful to your stack, give it a star. I'm Ritik Patel on GitHub.